This is a News 2 breaking news alert.
We do begin with this breaking news alert tonight. Williamson County schools now issuing a mask mandate for all grade levels. Welcome to News 2 at 10. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilkes. Here's what the school board decided tonight. All schools and grade levels must adhere to the mask mandate. It is in effect until September 21st. Governor Lee's executive order to opt out is still in place. But as News 2's Chelsea Beinford reports, the district is now pushing back on that order.
Tonight, Williamson County parents speaking out at another special called school board meeting about COVID-19 mitigation strategies.
14,000 kids in the last 7 days. 36% of the cases in the state have been kids. 60 kids in the ICU. 1,300 treated in ERs in the last week.
Some thanking the board for their decision to temporarily mandate masks at all Williamson County elementary schools, but the majority who took the podium still upset about the requirement.
You were elected to care for our kids' education, not their health care.
I do not consent, nor will I comply with applying a medical device to my healthy children or any other failed public health measures imposed for our school.
I don't see any reason to mask my daughter. She is not in a risk group. And that should be my decision, not yours.
However, the board's main discussion following public comment tonight centered around a proposal to ask Governor Lee for permission to switch to remote learning when necessary.
By far, what we've seen these first few weeks is a staffing issue.
Last week, Williamson County closed Fairview Middle School on Friday after 30% of the staff and 33% of students were out with COVID-related absences. Superintendent Dr. Jason Golden argues that online learning is better than no learning and having to burn a stockpile day.
My request is ask the governor to give you all and us the authority to shift to a remote if we have to, as opposed to send students home without instruction.
So the board approved that proposal, which will now be sent to Governor Lee's office. They also approved a policy tonight that gives teachers and staff 10 additional days of paid leave if they have a confirmed positive COVID-19 test. These will be separate days off from their already allotted sick time. Bob.
Thank you, Chelsea. Today, the state reported nearly 6,700 new COVID-19 cases. Nearly 1,000 of those are children up to 10 years of age. There were 49 new deaths and 10 new hospitalizations. COVID-19 testing is in such high demand, health officials here in Nashville are now expanding availability to keep up. The Murfreesboro Pike testing site in Antioch has an additional tent allowing for more people to be tested. The change follows complaints about long times and long waits. Increasing in demand is linked to a surge of the Delta variant cases along with students being back in class. And this week, more than 2,000 COVID tests have already been administered at this testing site. Debate over mask indecision about the vaccine. The COVID surge is raising a lot of questions. News 2 and the other Nashville TV stations will air a town hall meeting next Wednesday at 4 p.m. to get answers from local experts. What would you like to ask them? Send an email to questions@wkrn.com and join us next week for Controlling COVID. Ask the Experts.